7 pieces of rope have an average length of 68 centimeters and a median length of 84. Whenever we have these countable number of pieces, I always make this diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this place becomes for median. That means I'm automatically writing the numbers in ascending order. So we see that the median has already been given as 84 and the mean of the average length is 68. That means the total length will be 68 multiplied by 7, which is 420, 56, that means 476, that's the total length. If the length of the longest piece of the rope is 14 centimeters more than 4 times the length of the shortest piece, that means if we say that the shortest piece as length is equal to x, then the longest piece will be 14 centimeters more than 4 times the shortest. That means 4 times of x plus 14. What is the maximum possible length in centimeter of the longest piece of the rope? Now we have to maximize it. Alright, so the concept is simple, that if we need to maximize it, then it is entirely dependent on x, then x should be maximized. But another concept says that when the summation of several numbers is fixed, then if you need to maximize any one part, you need to minimize every other part as well. Now, so this is dependent on this part, and this has to be smaller than 84, we are sure, which also means that we need to minimize these parts. So the minimum value of these parts, because the question does not say anywhere that they are distinct or not distinct, that means we can take the minimum value here, not smaller than 84, because we are writing them in ascending order. That means we can take them 84 at each place. Once again, we need to minimize them. So the minimum value of these two places can also be equal to this value only, because these values can't be less than that if we have to make them in ascending order. So x, again, all that we have to do now is just simplify the calculation. So the addition of them gives us 7x, 3x is here, 4x is here, plus 84 multiplied by 3 plus 14 is equal to 476, which means 7x plus 84 into 3 to 252 plus 14 is equal to 476. 7x is equal to 476 minus 266, and this whole thing now we need to divide by 7, because x will be equal to 476 minus 266 divided by 7. We already know 476 divided by 7 is 68. 68 minus 7 3 is 21, 7 8 is 56, so the difference of these two numbers is 30. So the value of x we have got is 30, but the question is asking the maximum possible length of the longest piece. So the longest piece here is 4x plus 14. Let's quickly calculate. For the x equal to 30, 4x plus 14 will be equal to 4 times of 30 plus 14, which is equal to 120 plus 14, which is 134. That's option D. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. This is also the rule of maxima and minima that helps in statistics and also in number properties. Thank you so much.